Hand tool project, George Cominos 102-49427. These are the valve parts. We'll need 2 valves, and the parts are readily available from a hardware store. They're made from PVC. That's one of the things that I found very attractive about this design, which I found on a site called Lifehacker. The citation is to the left. The type of valve I'm using is a ball check valve, and as you can see here in the picture of the cutaway of the design, the ball that's coloured orange is the open position. It gets stopped by the brat pin that's pushed through the internal cylinder, and then when the valve is closed, the ball is pushed up against the O-ring. So the black ball is showing the closed position. Water would flow from the right hand side to the left hand side. Open position is shown with the orange arrow, closed position with the black arrow, and an assembled picture of the actual valve is shown below. We'll need 2 of these valves to construct our pump. These are the parts for the pump. Like I said, it's all PVC, which is recyclable, although that has its issues and its problems, which will be discussed in our main report. Pump operation is very simple. Raising the handle lifts the piston, and the valve on the right hand side opens, allowing water in. The valve on the left closes, and then when you push the plunger, the piston down using the handle in a descending motion, the right hand valve is closed and the left hand valve opens and water exits. Possible modifications I thought about was, one thing that I was very interested in was a Tesla valve on either side, which has no moving parts, which would mean it would be very reliable. But unfortunately, this valve works best at high pressures and frequencies, and is most commonly used with gases rather than fluids, although it is something that I'd really like to play around with and experiment with if I got more interested in fluid dynamics. Increased volume of this pump could be created by adding a second barrel, or changing the type of tubing that is used, maybe increasing the diameter, but we'd need to experiment with this. Improved ergonomics could also be achieved by adding a foot stand like a bicycle air stand pump. Thank you.